Have you ever considered how peculiar, brilliant individuals appear? They seldom match our preconceived notions. We frequently envision those with superior mental capacity as visibly gifted, perpetually vocal, vocalizing solutions to intricate tasks, or flaunting their expertise. Scientific studies in psychology indicate an alternative reality. Numerous individuals possessing elevated cognitive abilities exhibit understated conduct that might not initially strike one as signs of genius. Indeed, experts in cognition frequently assert that intellect concerns how your mind interprets existence rather than mere data retention. And such interpretation often manifests through routine, daily practices. Below are 10 remarkably typical traits observed among those with exceptional IQ scores. The initial one involves dedicating significant periods to isolation. Those with great intellect frequently enjoy being by themselves, not due to interpersonal dislike, but because their minds are perpetually evaluating concepts. Loneliness provides the prefrontal cortex, the area governing strategy, introspection, and deep thought, room to function. Data from the London School of Economics discovered that gifted people frequently report decreased contentment from regular social engagement versus others. Their minds simply yearn for silent contemplation. The second trait is perpetual inquisitiveness. High IQ individuals frequently inquire about almost every subject, not merely significant existential queries, but minor routine ones. What drives human conduct? How does this mechanism function? Their minds naturally hunt for trends. Wonder serves as a form of intellectual motor. The third trait is conversing with oneself. This could appear odd, yet experts label it self-directed vocalization. Investigations reveal that speaking aloud can boost concentration and mental regulation. It assists the mind in structuring ideas and reinforcing short-term memory. Therefore, when observing someone softly narrating their internal monologue, it might signify an operating mental apparatus. The fourth trait is feeling at ease admitting ignorance. Those with superior intellect frequently grasp the boundaries of their comprehension. Within psychology, this connects to the Dunning-Kruger phenomenon, where less informed persons inflate their own understanding. Gifted individuals frequently perform the contrary. They recognize the vast intricacy present in reality. The fifth trait is agonizing over minor details. A logical mind rarely shuts down. Identical mental operations assisting in solving difficult puzzles can also trigger exhaustive examination of dialogues, choices, or potential outcomes. Occasionally, this resembles hesitation, yet internally it represents a mind navigating numerous conceptual frameworks simultaneously. The sixth trait is a sharp wit. Fascinatingly, comedy demands intricate mental operations to grasp or produce. The mind must spot structures, defy anticipations, and link disconnected notions. Papers released in scientific journals have demonstrated a quantifiable link between elevated IQ and sophisticated comedic appreciation. The seventh trait is revising opinions upon encountering fresh facts. Gifted persons frequently view convictions as adaptable frameworks rather than rigid labels. When novel data emerges, their mind adjusts the framework. In psychology, this capacity relates to mental agility, a primary indicator of superior troubleshooting. Now reflect briefly. How frequently do we misjudge these actions? Someone seeking isolation might seem aloof. Someone posing numerous queries might seem distrustful. Someone revising their stance might seem vacillating. Yet periodically, these actually signify profound intellectual habits. The eighth trait is nocturnal deliberation. Numerous high IQ subjects claim enhanced mental vigor during dark hours. Certain investigators tie this to evolutionary biology, proposing that individuals with superior mental agility adjust more readily to unconventional cycles like remaining awake later. The ninth trait is watching rather than uttering. Instead of instantly replying during chats, highly intelligent persons frequently assess interpersonal interactions initially. They collect data, evaluate emotional signals, and subsequently reply with care. This demonstrates robust structural identification in interpersonal conduct. And lastly, the 10th trait is a relentless hunt for significance. High intellect frequently arrives with heightened awareness of intricacies within civilization, bonds, and human conduct. This can trigger deeper meditation regarding intent, selfhood, and how people interpret their existence. It is not always theatrical or academic. Sometimes it is merely a silent inquiry deep within. Why do we reason as we do? And possibly that remains the most intriguing aspect of genius. It involves more than just calculating numbers or recalling details. Fundamentally, intellect truly concerns wonder. A mind that persists in investigating structures, challenging premises, and attempting to comprehend the peculiar, captivating riddle of humanity.